If you're looking for a beautiful, timeless mantel clock, this Howard Miller Thomas Tompion mantel clock has been in our family for many years. It still works flawlessly. It's a beautiful piece of furniture and it's about 18 inches high. As you can see, I'm comparing it to my iPhone Pro Max. And it sits in a bookcase and it looks beautiful. It comes with this winding key that I will show you in just a minute. And it is totally wound by gears. It is not battery operated. And this door opens easily to reveal the main front of the clock, which is beautifully crafted. So here are the keyholes for winding the clock and the chimes. So to wind the clock, we just use the center hole and wind this about every 7 days, and that keeps the clock running just right. And so you just turn this clockwise until you can't turn it anymore. And the chimes settings are over here. We have it on silent, which is on the top. It has 3 other chime settings that can chime at various intervals. And as you notice, the beautiful metal design and the handcrafted, hand-painted design around the clock face and all the different intricacies of this, the different metal and the wood, the cherry wood, that it's built, the cabinet is just unbelievably beautiful. And this handle on top so that you can carry it around. It's not really that heavy, but it is a beautiful timepiece. The hinges are even well crafted and making this door easy to open and close. And here's a magnetic piece so that the door stays closed, because you will be opening this quite a lot, well, once a week, to wind it. So let me show you around here on the side and the different gears. And now this clock is currently running, and I'll show you in just a minute how the gears are running. But here's a close-up of this side, and you can just see how well built this clock is. This brand of clocks are just beautiful. Here's the back, and there's actually a mirror on the other side of this. So that hole there, that's revealing part of the back of the mirror. And here is the other side, and I will zoom in on these gears, and you can actually see them moving up at the top there, and they're just fascinating to watch, which is probably why the glass is here. Here's a view of the gears and the components on this side. Here's another look at and you can see it moving, and you see the mirror on the back. So this is just a beautiful clock that makes a fantastic gift. It's something that can be passed down in a family. I'll take a quick look around the body of the clock here again, but this clock is just something that would be a timeless treasure for any family. So I highly recommend it. A beautiful piece of furniture that will go just about anywhere. Thanks for watching my review.